Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious pancakes which taste exactly like McDonald's hotcake. So, for this recipe, you will need flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon powder, sugar, eggs separated, vanilla extract, milk. In my house, we enjoy the breakfast for dinner, and our top two places for breakfast are Waffle House and McDonald's. Now, where I live, McDonald's doesn't serve breakfast for 24/7, and that's why I came up with this recipe which tastes exactly like their hotcakes. So the first thing we are going to do is mix all the dry ingredients. Now, all the ingredients and their quantities, you saw it in the beginning of the video, and also you will find it in the description box below. So, yep, that's where you can look it for. So we are just going to sift it real quick. So this is done. We'll keep this aside. Next thing we are going to do is whisk the eggs. We want soft thick. Our egg whites are done. We'll keep this in the refrigerator until our other products gets ready. Now we are going to make the batter. So this is egg yolk. I'm adding vanilla to this, then sugar and milk. Again, all the ingredients and their quantities, you saw it in the beginning of the video, and then you can find it also in the description box below. So now nicely mix this all. Once this is mixed, we'll add the flour. You can mix all the flour together. You don't have to do it slowly. We are making a smooth batter here. Once all the lumps are gone, we can start adding the egg white. We are going to mix the egg white with the cut and fold in method. So for that, you just do this. Don't go circle, just go half circle and cut. We don't want that nice fluff to go down because that's what going to make our pancake soft and fluffy. So add your egg white slowly, a little by little, not all together. Now our batter is nicely mixed. You can see how fluffy and nice it is. You will see little bit lumps, like those are egg whites, but that's all right. It won't bother the pancakes. You don't want to mix it too much anyways. So this is good enough. We are ready to make pancakes now. We'll start making our pancakes now. So I put the pan on the medium heat. I'm just going to swirl some butter here. You don't need too much butter if you're using non-stick pan. And to this, I'm just going to put some batter we made. That will be enough. You can put more if you want a bigger pancakes, but for me, I think that's good enough. Keep the temperature to the medium because you don't want them to cook real quick from the outside and the middle stays raw if it is on the high flame. So keep medium throughout. They don't take long to cook, so in few seconds, like 10 to 15 seconds, they are already ready to flip. You see the nice golden color. Look at how soft they are. They're exactly like McDonald's texture too and the taste too. They will soak up all the syrup that you will put, like the McDonald's one. Delicious homemade McDonald's style pancakes are ready just in few minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.